How to fix Facebook professional mode option not showing in Facebook. So if you want to fix your Facebook professional mode option is not showing, then first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your settings. After opening your settings, you need to scroll down, go with the apps section. Under apps, go with manage apps and then search for Facebook. After searching for your Facebook, go with clear data, which is on the bottom, and then tap on clear cache and OK. After clearing your cache, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, open up your Play Store. From your Play Store, you need to search for Facebook and make sure that you've updated your application, because if it's not updated, then you might find some kind of problems. So go and update it. After updating your Facebook, you can restart your device. After restarting, you can open up your Facebook, go with the top right, which has that 3 horizontal lines, and then go with your profile. From your profile on the right side, you will have 3 dots. Tap on the 3 dots, and here it says that professional mode is not available because you've logged your profile. So if you've logged your profile, you need to go with the 3 dots, tap on unlock profile, tap on unlock again, and after unlocking your profile, you can just reload your profile. Now you can go with the 3 dots, and as you can see that you'll be able to turn on your professional mode. Tap on turn on professional mode and then tap on turn on, and you'll be able to turn on your professional mode. So that's it. That's how you can fix your problem, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.